Hey guys, welcome to another episode of SolidWorks Designing. In this episode, we are going to design a crane hook. Click on the new file. Before starting to draw the diagram, make sure that you work on the desired working in different plane, give sketch. Mm, 10 centimeter. And from here, just randomly selecting and drawing an arc, and again selecting this point and this point. Okay, using the spline handles, I am just adjusting the curvature of the arc. Okay, that's fine. After this, select plane, select this line. We got one plane. Select this one and give this one. Okay. Another, I'll again select this plane and this one. Again select plane, select this plane and this one. Okay, again select plane, select this line. So now we have got the planes where we are going to draw the varying cross-sectional face of the crane hook. Okay, first let us hide all these. Okay, next we are going to hide this plane and we are going to make this plane visible. Just click on this plane and give sketch. Select slot, give 0.6, 0.5, and from here we'll give 1. Let us make this plane normal. Okay, then we will draw a spline from here to here. This is vertical. it's also vertical. Then mirror this spline about this one. OK. Using trim entities, we'll remove the lines in between. OK. OK. And close the sketch. After we draw this, click on the plane number 3 and do the same thing. Click on 1, 0.8, and we will draw a line from here to here, 1.5, and then we will draw a spline from here to here. Keep it vertical. This one slightly inclined at an angle. Then we will mirror this spline about this and give OK. After this, click on this and give OK. And close the sketch. Again, we are going to do the same thing. Click on the slot. We will give 0.8, then 0.6. Click this line and make it a horizontal. Make the plane normal. You have to do the same step. From here we are going to draw 1.5 and we will draw a spline from here to here. Click on the spline handle and make it horizontal, and click this one and slightly inclined it. Okay, after this, mirror this spline about this line and give OK. Finally, we have to trim this portion. That's it. Close the sketch. And for the final part, we are just going to draw a small circle of 0.25. That's okay. Let me adjust the sketch diameter of first sketch. 0.75. Okay. I'm selecting the front plane. I'm giving sketch. I'm giving this one to here to here. Here I am going to click this line and this point and make it pierce. Similarly, I am going to do the same thing. I think it's connected. Anyhow, I am going to click this point and make it pierce. Okay. Now it's fully defined. Now we have to adjust this one as per our wish. First let me make this handle vertical. Oh, and I have to adjust this one a bit. Okay, next thing, from here to here, click OK, click on this point and this line and make it pierce. Okay, then take normal and do the same exact thing. Let us make this fixed. Select this and make it collinear so that we will get the curvature. Selecting this and I'm making it vertical. And selecting spline handle from here to here. I'm clicking this point and this line and I'm making it pierce. Okay. Click on this point and make the point coincide with the pierce it. That's it. Have to adjust this. Okay, that's it. We have drawn the one sketch. Again select the front plane and give sketch. Similarly select the spline and give OK. Make it normal and make this vertical. Okay. Finish it. Again select spline from here to yes, make it normal. Horizontal and give OK. Then do the same step again. Okay, so here it is not connected. Click on this and take out the coincident. Click on the point and this and make it pierce, because when we are going to use boundary base, this will become will come as an error. So make sure that the points are on the cross-sectional 2D diagrams that we have drawn. Okay, and let me also correct this to avoid error. This one, make it years. Okay, that's it guys, using boundary base. So first thing I'm selecting is this sketch, next this one, this one, this one, and here. Okay, then for guide curves I am giving this and this, and yes, that's it, we have got our crane hook. So this is our crane hook with correct dimensions or required dimensions. We can design different shapes of crane hook as per our wish. So we can give color, appearance, metal, steel, polished steel, like, okay, and I'm giving black. Yes, that's it. I'm selecting the front plane and drawing a circle here, some random values, and I'm extruding. You can draw different types of crane shapes as per your wish, using different types of cross-sectional faces. This is the thread or a keyway where the key is inserted to hold the crane hook. And that's it guys, thank you for watching the video.